Hi everyone. The question of whether you can block someone on Etsy comes up a lot. I did a longer video of this on my other channel, but the short answer is no. You can't really block someone on Etsy. When you block someone on Etsy, and they do give you that option, you can go to someone's profile page, scroll all the way to the bottom, and it says block this person. You think that that would block them, but no, what that does is it prevents them from seeing your personal activity. So if you block someone, they can't see what you have favorited, they can't see what shops you have favorited, and they're looking at your personal account. It does not block them from seeing your shop or from purchasing from your shop. Now, this makes sense kind of because you couldn't really prevent someone from buying from your shop because they could use a separate account. They could have a friend buy for them. There's many ways that people could get around that. If you don't want someone to see your personal activity or your personal account, you can block them, but there is no way to block someone from your shop. Now, you can cancel orders. If you get someone who's harassing you, number one, contact Etsy about that because they do monitor that kind of stuff. But you want to just keep a list. I have a list called No Cake for You. It's my No Cake for You list. If someone is incredibly rude to me or they give me really low ratings, then I just cancel orders if they come in afterwards. And I have had people leave me a 1-star review and then try to order something right away. No, you're canceled. So I cancel your order. That's not a problem for me. But you can't block them from your shop. So unfortunately, that's the way that the system is set up. And like I said, even if you did block them, they'd have a friend buy and then they would still leave you a nasty review. So just be aware that blocking does not mean that you're preventing someone from purchasing from you. And if you really have a problem with someone, report it to Etsy because that's really the only way to handle it. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.